The Republic of Djibouti is a small but strategically significant country in the Horn of Africa, located along the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. Its history is shaped by ancient trade routes, colonial rule, and its role as a geopolitical hotspot. Despite its small size, Djibouti has been a crucial player in regional and international politics, serving as a military and trade hub. Ancient history and early civilizations pre-1000 CE. Prehistoric inhabitants. Djibouti's history dates back to prehistoric times, with archaeological evidence of hunter-gatherer communities. Early rock art in places like Aborma suggests a rich cultural heritage dating back several thousand years. Land of Punt, 3000 BCE, 1000 BCE. Djibouti is believed to be part of the ancient land of Punt, mentioned in Egyptian records as a major trade partner. Punt was famous for frankincense, myrrh, gold, and exotic animals, which were traded with Egyptians, Phoenicians, and Greeks. Arrival of Cushitic peoples 1000 BCE, 1000 CE. The region became home to Cushitic-speaking peoples, including the Afar and Somali groups, who still dominate Djibouti today. These communities practiced nomadic pastoralism, herding camels, goats, and cattle. Islamic influence and trade expansion 7th–19th century. Spread of Islam 7th century CE. Islam arrived in the 7th century when early Muslim migrants sought refuge in the Horn of Africa. By the 9th century, Djibouti's coastal regions became part of Islamic trade networks, connecting Arab merchants with East Africa and India. Sultanates and trade dominance 10th–19th century. Djibouti's region was divided among several powerful sultanates. Ifat Sultanate 13th–15th century. Based in present-day Ethiopia, it controlled trade in the Horn of Africa. Adal Sultanate 15th–17th century. Led by Imam Ahmad ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi, the Adal Sultanate fought against the Ethiopian Empire and the Portuguese. Ottoman influence 16th–19th century. The Ottomans exerted indirect control over Djibouti's coastal regions, using them as part of the Red Sea trade routes. The region's economy was driven by the trade of slaves, ivory, and spices, linking Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. French colonization and the formation of French Somaliland, 1862, 1977. French expansion, 1862–1896. In 1862, the French signed a treaty with local Afar leaders, purchasing the port of Obak. By 1888, France had expanded its control, establishing Djibouti as the capital of French Somaliland. The French presence grew due to Djibouti's strategic location on the Red Sea, serving as a gateway to Ethiopia and the Indian Ocean trade routes. Construction of the Djibouti-Addis Ababa Railway, 1897–1917. France built the Djibouti-Addis Ababa Railway to connect the Ethiopian highlands to the Red Sea, boosting Djibouti's importance as a trade hub. The railway strengthened ties between Djibouti and Emperor Menelik II of Ethiopia, making Djibouti the main port for Ethiopian trade. World wars and growing nationalism. 1914–1958. During World War II, French Somaliland was briefly occupied by Vichy France, but later joined the Free French forces. In 1958, a referendum was held on whether to remain part of France or seek independence. The majority voted to stay under French rule, though many suspect France rigged the results. Independence and the Republic of Djibouti, 1977 present. Independence from France, 1977. In 1977, after years of pressure and protests, Djibouti gained independence. Hassan Gould Abdidan became the first president, leading a one-party state under the People's Rally for Progress (RPP). Political challenges and civil war, 1977–2000s. Afar-Somali tensions. Djibouti's two main ethnic groups, the Afar Northern Highlands and the Somali Isa Southern Lowlands, clashed over power distribution. 1991–1994, Civil War. The Afar-led Front for the Restoration of Unity and Democracy rebelled against the government. A peace deal in 2000s ended the conflict, allowing Afars some political representation. Geopolitical importance and foreign military presence. 2000s present. Djibouti's strategic location has attracted several foreign military bases. France, the US, China, and Japan have military bases in Djibouti. The U.S. Camp Lemonnier is a key base for counterterrorism operations in Somalia and Yemen. China established its first overseas military base in Djibouti in 2017, boosting its global naval reach. Economic development and challenges. Ports and trade. Djibouti's deepwater port is a major transit hub for Ethiopian imports and exports. Infrastructure projects. The Djibouti-Ethiopia Railway was modernized with Chinese investment. Economic struggles. Despite its strategic importance, poverty and unemployment remain high. Dependence on foreign military rents raises concerns about economic sustainability. Recent political developments. Ismail Omar Guelleh has ruled since 1999, winning multiple elections amid accusations of fraud and repression. 2021 elections. Guelleh secured a fifth term, continuing his long rule despite opposition protests. Challenges and future prospects. Challenges. Authoritarian rule, limited press freedom, and political opposition. Economic inequality. Despite foreign investment, wealth is concentrated in elite hands. Regional instability, border tensions with Eritrea, and the impact of conflicts in Somalia and Yemen. Opportunities. Strategic location. Djibouti remains a crucial trade and military hub. Infrastructure growth, investments in ports, railways, and free trade zones could boost economic development. Renewable energy potential. Djibouti is investing in geothermal and solar energy to reduce dependence on imports. Conclusion. Djibouti's history reflects its role as a crossroads of civilizations, colonial struggles, and modern geopolitical interests. Despite its small size, Djibouti has managed to maintain political stability while playing a significant role in global trade and military strategy. However, addressing economic inequality, political reforms, and sustainable development will be key to its future prosperity. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon. Amazon Books, check out our website. Wordflix X publishers like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.